Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So today I'm gonna show you my Arduino Uno infrared receiver. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you the actual output of the Arduino Uno infrared receiver. So stay tuned to that, and let's get right into it, to the code right now. So in this three line here, we have the setup and libraries. So as you can see, we have the include arduino.h, and we define the decode underscore neck. So this tells the library to specifically look for the neck protocol, which is the most common format used by cheap infrared remotes. And we also have the include IR remote.hpp. So this imports the necessary function to talk to the infrared receiver hardware. And we have the cons int here for the receiver pin, which would be the digital 8. So this defines which digital pin on the Arduino is connected to data or out pin to the IR module. And we have the void setup function here. So this starts the Arduino Uno once the Arduino Uno receives power, and it begins with 906,600 millisecond, and it also receive the IR receiver begin. So this is the feedback for the feature that blinks the Arduino Uno on board, which is usually in the pin 13. So whenever it detects an IR signal, it lets the hardware that it's actually hearing the remote. And let's proceed to the loop function here. We have the if IR receiver that decode. So this line is the Arduino constant check if the packet of the infrared light is received, and if it has the code, then the statement to process the data. And we also have the switch command here. So this acts like the fast access menu if the hex code matches the one of the prints in the corresponding label. So which would be this case here, 0x15. So when the serial print in is this segment is pressed, it's gonna show up in the serial monitor. And we have different case here, 0x16, 0x0, and the default here, which would say in the serial monitor for other button detected, and hexadecimal. So in the last line here, so when the IR receiver is resumed, it clears the receiver internal buffer and tells it to restart the listening for the next button press. So if I forgot the to reset, this only works once, I think. So I'm gonna show you the actual output of the Arduino Uno infrared receiver. So this is the actual output of the Arduino Uno infrared receiver. So as you can see, we have the serial monitor here. So I'm gonna start the infrared receiver, and as you can see, it shows the IR decoder ready. Press a button, so it means the Arduino Uno infrared receiver is ready. So this is the remote here. I'm gonna press a button. So as you can see, I press the number button 0 and it shows button number 0. I'm gonna press another button, so it shows other button detected, hexadecimal 0x1c. Show another button here. There we go. Another other button detected, hexadecimal 0x18, and other button detected, hexadecimal 0x52. So I'm gonna show you the actual output here. So there is the infrared receiver, and we have the Arduino Uno here, and some jumper wires. So I think that's all for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe.